Shop truck.
Is there still a bag in this?
Yeah.
What's up, man?
What are you doing?
Oh, God.
What y'all doing? Yeah, man. You always gotta be ready, man. He got him a fresh haircut. His beard's nice and combed.
Yes, sir.
Look at it.
So what is this?
Surge tank.
For fuel?
Yes.
To keep optimal pressure when you're building all kind of crazy boosts?
All the fuel. All the fuel for all the boots.
All the fuel. Here's this gentleman over here. What is that? Dash 6. Dash 6. So this Evo, little backstory on this, used to actually be my mailman's Evo. His name was Slow Tony. I'll probably cut away some footage of his old Evo. Oh man. Yep, a little exit right there. I'm really on the fence about doing it to the S10, but nah, I can't do that. RPF1s. Something I always liked about this one is the seats. Yeah, the seats in my
Oh, I didn't even touch that. I touched this.
Evo 10 are pretty boring. Hey, so what else is doing this thing, man?
This one's got a full built motor. Here at Rachel's Edge in Tucson. It's 10.5 to 1 rods, pistons, cams. Printed and ported, and so it's got their 3-ported head on it. We're gonna help it have all the fuel so it can have all the boost.
Outstanding.
Put this right here in the way, guys. See how many times we
See the burnout in the street?
Yeah, what was that?
It was the $400 Explorer, dude.
This?
Yeah, it's got an air filter on it. It's got all kinds of work on it.
That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it.
That was the white Evo killer that did that, bro.
Huh?
That was the white Evo killer that did that burnout.
The white Evo killer.
Yeah.
The truck? Yeah, man. I mean, I'm not boosting, well, that hard.
All right, you got a little bit.
Yeah.
It's expensive. Don't do it.
Nah, he's gonna do it.
Stop. Keep that warranty.
I'll live vicariously, yeah. I probably got the last Evo in Sierra Vista with a warranty on it still.
You might have shit breaks. You can pay for half of the repairs.
Nope. I ain't balling like that quite yet, man.
Oh man, just gotta replace the center section turbo. It's only $700.
Man, once I retire and I grow up, I can get a normal job, maybe I can afford stuff like that.
Hey.
What?
You might have the only Evo in Arizona with a warranty.
I believe so.
I'm serious, man.
That's a pretty sad job, bro. That's alright though, the S10's gonna be working.
I think he said you ain't got no nipples.
Oh, can you see the headers?
Yeah. Where they at?
They're up on top of the shelf.
Yeah.
The basketball.
Okay.
You may grab one down for you?
No, you good. So, got these here headers for the LS swap. Oh man, look at that. Nice and smooth. So, Owen talked me into, first I was gonna be cheap and just spray paint them, but he was like, yeah, with all the heat and all the moisture in Minnetonka, aka Nebraska, that's what Owen calls it. That way they won't rust and they'll be able to take all the extra heat.
For my wife.
Man, that's a clean shirt, man.
Where are you going? He's making movies. I know he's making movies, but what are you going to do?
Huh?
Where are you going right now?
I'm heading up to Tucson, man, to Street Outlaws, man. Walk around the hot sun for a couple hours and...
Man, make sure you put on sunscreen. I don't want you getting burned.
No, my daddy already took care of that.
He's actually hiding inside because I can see him in a week.
Huh? Hey, man, I got work. I'm sorry, man. Hold up.
What's that? So
All right, for the uninitiated, how does surge tank work?
So you have your stock pump, that feeds the surge tank, and you have dual pumps in the tank, in the surge tank, that'll go to the rail and return. So instead of like a normal system, we'll be doing -8 feed all the way to the rail, and then -6 return to the pump, to the surge tank, and then it'll overflow back into the pump. So it's like an octopus of -8. And
Yeah, I seen that. It's got like 4 or 5. Where's this thing?
Yeah.
So we can put
Jesus.
Right, 'cause you got 2 pump feeds.
Yep.
So these will be the pumps out to the rail. And
Right.
we'll wire it to -8. And then we'll come back into here with the overflow. And then one line will be to feed the tank. And then, is that right? Something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have feed from tank to here. And then return to the surge tank, and then overflow from the surge tank to the tank.
So this thing will enable you to never
I'll
run out
never
of
have to
fuel.
worry about fuel ever. That's what I'm doing.
Even when you're
the
at
whole
10,000
surge tank.
RPMs and
Yeah, it'll
50
never,
pounds of boost or however much you're trying to push.
It'll never slosh. It'll never do
Man.
any type of fuel starving.
Man.
Be legit, but it comes at a cost.
Yeah, you gotta pay to play, man. Pay to play. Man. Get me some RPF ones. Man, I can't get over this header, man. Thing's a gangster, man. Mm. 4G63. Mm.